Hello everyone. In a real good news for English people, England is about to remove all restrictions related to sickness. So let's go through this article. Restrictions including sickness passes, mask mandates, and work from home requirements will be removed in England. UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson announced on Wednesday. Johnson also suggested that self isolation rules may also be thrown out at the end of March. Effective immediately, the UK government is no longer asking people to work from home. The VPass mandate for nightclubs and large events won't be renewed when it expires on January 26th. So that's good. The people will be able to go out, in pubs and gather in large numbers. And from Thursday, indoor mask wearing will no longer be compulsory anywhere in England. That's also very good. It's kind of, in my opinion, pretty insane requirement, but nevertheless, it won't be applicable from Thursday. And this actually goes on to show how stringent the requirements were in England, probably whole of UK. The requirement for secondary school pupils to wear masks during class and in communal areas will also be removed from the Department of Education's national guidance. So students will also won't have to wear masks during the classes. People who test positive for sickness and their unvaccinated contacts are still required to self-isolate, but Johnson said that he very much expects not to renew the rule when relevant regulation expires on March 24th. So some of these restrictions will still be in place because they are not going to be expiring soon. Which one is this? So, okay, so gathering in large events and visiting nightclubs is expiring on January 26th. But he refused to reconsider the vaccination mandates for frontline healthcare workers, insisting the evidence is clear that healthcare professionals should get vaccinated. So yeah, healthcare workers are not exempt from restrictions. It seems some still applies to them. Now, if you go through this article, um, you'll notice that a lot of people signed petitions to end the restrictions, at least some of the restrictions, and it wasn't just limited to V passes, but it was also applicable to vax mandates for healthcare workers, which goes on to show how unpopular they were. And Bojo now get now embroiled in a Partygate scandal. I think I'm not sure how much that actually pushed him to take these measures. Um, I mean, already unpopular because of these restrictions, and then on top of it, Partygate I think wasn't helping him. So, but let's hope these things continue, and because of any new variant, they don't come back. Because across the pond in US, things are slightly different. And as you can see from this chart, which is latest chart, last 7-day average, the number of cases are declining and so are the deaths. But apparently, the models are predicting an imminent increase in the total number of deaths. So, dramatic decline in deaths versus cases isn't stopping the scientists who produce models, which sickness models, which keep in mind have been consistently wrong since the start of pandemic, from producing even more alarmist forecasts. Yeah, you can say that. This is very, this is very obvious with each other wave, as you can see here. There is a clear correlation between the cases and the deaths, whereas in this last variant, that's not the case. And yet, predictions are saying that the number of deaths will increase. So, according to Catriona Shia of Penn State University, who helps to lead a team that compiles several pandemic models and shares the projections with the White House, deaths in US could eclipse the 1 million threshold by end of March. That's what she is predicting, which currently stands at 854,000. So yeah, slightly different environment and atmosphere, across the pond in US. Um, Unlikely that restrictions will be removed soon. I mean, if this is what is being predicted, at least, one of the models that is being shared with the White House. We'll just have to see. Let's hope, um, people are able to see through these predictions and take right measures. Thanks for listening. Please share, subscribe, like, and I will see you in the next one.